kick it, Jackie Chan.
What's going on, guys? Brad Staying Sauce here, back with another video. In this one, you guys are gonna see this insane install on my Mbrp race series catback exhaust. From everything that I've looked at, I haven't seen it or heard it in person yet. But from everything that I looked at and everything I watched on YouTube, this is the best exhaust for an Ecoboost Mustang. If you guys like what you see and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you always get notified when I post. And as always, peace out. This is what the Ecoboost sounds like inside the car. It's really not that loud. I mean, it sounds all right. It gets up and moves, but doesn't have that rumble I'm looking for. So hopefully this Mbrp race exhaust will do that for me. Oh, I got the black edition too. I like the black tips. I think it looks better. Right now we're just driving to a local dealership that my buddy works at. We're gonna put him in. So kind of scary. Jesus. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun one. So we're gonna be taking it off from here all the way back to there. Dude, that is nasty. Actually, it's really not that bad. These bitches are hot. So right now we're trying to get these bolts off for the hangers, where they're a pain in the butt because of this thing right here. So we gotta get up in there and get them. But this thing is gonna look good. These tips are gonna look nice back here. I'm still confused about this. I don't know why this didn't like come apart.
It will.
Holding this damn thing, working on my own car. This is crazy. This shit is heavy though, for real.
I'd imagine, yeah. Oh, there's one more right here, I guess.
Probably. I got it.
Brad.
Might have to make this my thumbnail. I feel like those people who balance baskets on their head.
The other way, yeah, it goes the other way.
Right? I don't fucking know. Yeah, because that's what hangs up there. Jesus. All that in a bag of chips.
Why don't you just dump it like that? No muffin.
Nah, I want to have the big 3-inch boys exhaust tips in the back. Yeah, I'm really not even holding it, so there you go. Yes, sir. Perfect. It's perfect. Looks good. Hopefully it sounds good.
For $500 or better.
$600. Get some weight reduction. Probably like 15 pounds.
Lighter, yeah.
Oh, for sure. You're a celebrity now.
Am I? Okay. I've been on a few YouTube channels.
Jeez. We heard ya.
Almost together.
Almost done. We're almost done. Actually, no, yeah. I still want to put these my tail or I still want to put my turn signals in too, though. So we can't have nice things.
So do you need a tune for this?
I'm gonna get one. Okay. I don't need it for the exhaust, but I'm gonna get one.
I didn't know, because like, you know,
what the fuck?
Change like one bolt on them, I need to retune.
This shit looks like it's been like eaten by a mouse.
Probably has. We're gonna burn out.
That's probably exactly what it's from, honestly. All the burning rubber just melted it.
Don't hit me, hands, anything, please. Keep going.
Damn, I'm pissed about my diff though.
Hey, don't be. That's warranty work. That's no big deal. That's what we call the cost of doing business.
Right.
Is it on? I'd keep hitting it. Just keep hitting it until it stops going on, because it's got to go on a certain amount of the mufflers aren't going to fit. Yeah. You can make this a little bit nicer this time. The mufflers aren't going to hit the ground. Alright, before we tighten that down, we should make sure that bracket's going to line up on that side.
I would honestly just hang everything
I would
before.
fit the bracket at least. So where's the bracket? See?
Whatever side the little clips on is.
Turn a little bit. That's why we do this before we tighten the clamps down. There we go. Perfect.
Ooh. It's not starting. It's probably because all this shit's off. Because whenever my check engine light comes on, I can't start the car. Like auto start it. Here's your duty, unless you want to do it. Here, take the keys. Bro, what you putting it in reverse for? That boy is nice, bro. Hey, all the way one time. Full send. That boy is tough. Oh my god. All right, so I'm returning my exhaust. Bro, that's a lot of people do it like that.
Once that slides on, that'll be perfect. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do the
That boy
other.
is nice.
Yeah, that's a quality muffler. In fact,
yeah.
I kind of want to buy one for my car now because I'm not entirely committed to the hood dump, and I might eventually dump it out the back. If I do, I'm buying one of those mufflers. Don't worry about that yet. Let's get the other side on before we tighten it all up.
I would try to. It's gonna have to get rotated down some.
No, that's okay.
Yeah. There you go. Or not. Jesus.
Gotta stand on the sidelines, my guy.
I'm on that white strip right before the fucking field. That's those 355 gears back there just leaking.
Put that hanger on the side. Because I bet when you move it, it'll clear this bar.
That's where it's gonna hang stuff.
Perfect. Perfect.
I mean, yeah.
Hold on, let's try it.
Put the clamps on it first too.
Yeah, no.
Don't be saying uh-oh. 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 Honestly, even if one of those fell off, it still probably wouldn't even matter. It'd be cool still. What's crazy is they're gonna have to take all this off again in probably like a couple months because I'm getting that shit fixed. I'm getting this diff fixed for sure.
That'll be their problem.
Huh?
That'll be their problem.
Wow.
They might not they might not want to do it since it's not a factory part though.
Yeah, everything's factory but the exhaust and the wastegate.
It entirely depends if they want to do warranty work or not.
Well, so either way, I bought this extended warranty and it literally covers bumper to bumper.
Oh, okay.
Everything but like normal wear and tear mechanical stuff like fucking brake pads, rotors, oil changes. Yeah.
This is this size bumper, correct?
You're probably gonna want to put it in the
on that pipe. Or on this.
You're probably gonna want to put it in the hanger first.
Oh, did you just bolt the hanger up?
I think he did. Oh, maybe not. No, but it definitely should go in the hanger first. 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push tabs. Oh, that'll be fucking easy.
Sir, you're not allowed under the car.
Yeah, so these bad boys here. Oh yeah, they'll be nice.
For a second, I thought they were blue tips.
Yeah, I did too when I first opened them. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, no, they're gonna look good in there. Dude, I wanted to get some different fog lights too, but too much money. Yes, sir. Oh my god, that shit is dope. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. That shit is nuts. Yeah, there you go. I want it out some, a little bit. I don't want it dinging and rattling hitting this shit though. Right. About to be finished here. We gotta get this Allen key. I don't know if you guys can see this Allen key right here to tighten up the exhaust tips. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Still mad about this diff though. You can see it's leaking. Automatic. I don't be messing with all that. It's doing too much. It's doing too much. Doing way too much. Hey, let it rip one time there, buddy.
whip. This shit is, bro, those exhaust tips look mean. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Bro, I feel like a kid, bro, in a freaking, like, on Christmas, man. This is nuts. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the full review of the Mbrp Race Catback exhaust. But if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you can always get notified when I post. And as always, peace out.